Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, XOXO Squad. Hi you guys. As you can see, today is not going to be a video. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys I'm having some things done to my little apartment, to my little townhome, and I have maintenance coming in and out and stuff like that. So this week I will not be able to record. I'm so sorry about that. I do so apologize. But next week I will be starting back again on Thursday, and this week, and I think for the next few weeks, maybe I'm gonna do maybe 3 or 4 weeks, I will be breaking down each step from eyebrow to eyeshadow to lashes to, which I just learned that, to makeup to everything. I'm going to be doing one-on-one steps on how to achieve some of the looks that you guys will like. So at the end of the day, thank you guys for still hanging in there, and I love you guys so much. And until next week, it'll be part one. We're going to start with eyebrows. So if you're interested, tune in next week. I love you guys. With peace, love, and happiness from your lady, Mizz E. Love you guys. Bye.